Hey guys, welcome back to A for Biology YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing great. And this will be the next part of Unit 4 Plant Form and Function video series. This is the 5th tutorial and it is based on transportation in plants. This tutorial has questions up to xylem transportation section, and the next tutorial will be based on phloem translocation. As usual, the link is in the description. You can download the free tutorial using the link. Please do join the WhatsApp group if you're interested in trying weekly quizzes based on several topics. Hope you guys found this helpful. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and support my channel. See you from the next video. Bye.